I'm a, it's a bad man thing.
Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Your girl Wigs to Waist Length is here, back with another wig review. First and foremost, if you do hear any yelling in the back, my son is playing a video game and getting a little too extra with it. But anywho, so on to this review. This is going to be on a unit by EULLAIR. If you are interested in checking out their website, all the information will be in the description box down below. So they did send me their Malaysian body wave unit. I do have 22 inches on this unit, and it is 180% density. I have bleached the knots on this unit. I have not tinted the lace. Now, as far as the inside of this unit, you do get 2 combs right by the frontal parting space, and then you do have 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. Parting space actually looks really good on this unit. If you are interested in seeing this unit style, then go ahead and, of course, keep watching. Alright guys, so I did decide to add my pressed powder to the frontal area of this unit. So here you just see me adding a little bit of my pressed powder along the perimeter of the frontal, and then I'm also going to go down the parting space on this unit. I did decide to try something different, so I'm going to do, I guess, the melt your lace technique. I guess that's what we'll call it. So I'm going to place this knee high on my head. And I got this great idea from Glam Zante. So if you guys aren't familiar with her channel, definitely check her out. So she uses knee highs instead of stocking caps. And I thought that was just such a great idea. 1, they lay super flat, and 2, they are super cheap. I think I got like 20 of them for like $5. So big shout out to her for that little wig hack. So here I'm just going to place this on my head, and I'm trying my best, you know, not to mess up my eyebrows. Got to keep that slate going, girl. Now I'm just using some of my freeze spray, and I'm going to spray the perimeter of my hairline. Now, what made me really want to try this out is, as you guys know, I do have a little bit more hair on the sides of my head. So usually I do not get the coverage that I really am looking for, especially when it comes to frontals. So I thought I'd give this method a try. I'm just going to apply 1 layer of this, nothing too heavy. I don't really like all that stuff on my scalp or my edges. So here I'm just going to cut the hairline, and I'm trying to cut as close as possible to my natural hairline without going too far back, because you definitely don't want to look like you're balding, girl. So I'm going to put the unit on here, and as you can see, the hairline literally melts into your scalp. I am such a big fan of this method, and I think this is how I will be applying my frontals from now on. So here I'm just, of course, getting all this hair out of my face so I can go ahead and cut the lace off on this unit. Adding my pressed powder definitely helped with this lace. I was afraid that it was going to be a little bit on the gray side, but I think it actually worked out really, really good. So I have learned trial and error, just really short strokes or cuts when it comes to cutting this lace makes a big difference in how your hairline looks. So I did notice just a little bit of the lace coming up, so I added just a little bit of the freeze spray on to the tip of my comb, and of course you see me pressing it down here. So now I'm just gonna really just kind of keep the baby hairs subtle. So this area right here was just a little lighter than what I wanted. So I just added some building fibers to that area. Now girl, check out this scalp. This is definitely one of the best frontals that I have reviewed. Very impressed with the outcome of this unit. Okay, I'm sold on body wave hair. Yes, I think I have found my favorite body hair unit for the moment. So here we are with the finished look for this unit by YOULLAIR Hair. Once again, this is their Malaysian body wave. I do have it in 22 inches and 180% density. So Miss Body Wave Grow. So the unit actually came really quickly. It was by FedEx, and I think I got it in about 3 to 5 days. When I did get the hair, I did, of course, wash it. I did not have any shedding with this hair. I also did not have a smell. Very pleased with the washing process on this unit. Hairline on here is absolutely so natural. This is with no plucking, no tweezing. I may have adjusted some baby hairs, pulled them out, but that was really it. I did not customize this hairline at all. And frontal did take to the bleach okay. I wish it would have turned just a little bit quicker, but I do think it came out really good. Some areas in the back and on the sides I do need to touch up. This is a really thick density unit. For 180% density, this is actually a really good thick unit. You guys know I love big hair. So when I get thick bundles, hair, thick wigs, whatever, it's gonna be a hit. Now your girl did attempt to put some layers in here, and I think it actually turned out really good. If I have the footage, I'll definitely insert what it looked like before I styled it. The hair actually does hold a really good curl. This is 2-day-old curls, and besides just 1 or 2 curls that I had to touch up, I think that this hair is actually holding up really, really well. I think what I absolutely love about this hair is the color. I'm not really into the natural colors. Anytime I get a wig and it has a natural dark, almost kind of black tone to it, I'm really a fan of that. So overall, really pleased with the hair. I really don't think I have any gripes or concerns or even cons with this wig. So if you guys are interested in checking out the unit or checking out their website, I'll leave a direct link to YOULLAIR in the description box down below. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, share the video, share the channel, and of course, share the love. Don't forget to wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.